A long time ago, in a small village, there lived a poor stone cutter named Golu. Every morning before the sun rose, he would wake up and start working, breaking huge stones with nothing but his hammer and his willpower. He had just one dream: to educate his son and give him a better life. One day, Golu was struggling with an enormous rock. It was so tough, he had already struck it 99 times, and it didn't even crack. His hands were shaking. His body was exhausted. A passerby looked at him and said, "Give it up, man. This one's not gonna break." Golu took a deep breath and whispered to himself, "Maybe the next hit is the one." And with everything he had left, he struck the rock one last time. Boom! It split in half. The man stood there shocked. Golu smiled, not out of pride, but because he knew the truth. Giving up is always the easiest option, but success only comes to those who keep going, no matter how hard it gets.